Good afternoon, my dear sisters and brothers. At first hearing, we may be wondering, seriously, the gospel is serious about this? That when I celebrate my birthday, I will not invite even my own mother? I will not invite my siblings? Or when you celebrate your birthday, you will tell your friends and relatives, labas kayo dito ha, hindi kayo invited. Parang ang hirap tanggapin nun, ano? Kaya ang tanong ay, ano talaga yung gusto ng Diyos na sabihin? Ano talaga yung mensahe ni Jesus? Well, you can find it at the last sentence of each invitation. In case they may invite you back and you have repayment. That's one. Blessed indeed will you be because of their inability to repay you. Now, what's the point of Jesus? The point is, be generous, but not after the reward. Kapag gagawa ka ng mabuti, huwag mong gawin ang mabuti dahil may hinihintay kang gantimpala. I think that is the point. That is the message. Because human beings as we are, we always or almost always fall into temptation. I will do this so that He will do it to me. Pag magpapakabait ako, para maging mabait din siya sa akin. Bibigyan ko siya para meron din naman siyang ibigay sa akin. Kaya nga, kapag tayo nagbibigay at hindi tayo nabigyan, sumasama ang loob natin kasi naghihintay tayo ng kapalit sa ginawa nating kabutihan. Sometimes, even if they fail to say thank you, we react and say, ni hindi man lang nagpasalamat, no? Galit tayo kasi hindi tayo napasalamatan. So, gumawa ka ba ng mabuti para pasalamatan? Gumawa ka ba ng mabuti para may kapalit? Minsan, hindi tayo makapagbigay ng sikreto. Hindi natin maiabot ng palihim. Minsan, kailangan pa ng picture taking. O yan, picture habang inaabot yung regalo. Now, the warning of Jesus is this. When you do that, you have already received your reward. There will be reward, yes, but not in this world. Because in the end, Jesus said, you will be repaid at the resurrection of the righteous. Yung lahat ng ginawa nating kabutihan, nakikita naman yan ng Diyos. At Diyos ang magbibigay sa atin ng karampatang gantimpala. Kung magpasalamat sa atin yung tao na tinulungan natin, okay. Pero wag tayong maghintay ng pasasalamat. Nakikita ng Diyos ang ginagawa natin at ang Diyos ang magbibigay ng gantimpala. I think that is also the lesson of the life of Saint Martin. Martin the Charitable. He was not a priest. He was a Dominican brother. He was in charge of giving out charity. He was in charge of distributing bread. He was in charge of helping the poor in the name of the Dominican community. Do you think Saint Martin, every time that he did charitable act, do you think he expected reward or thank you? I don't know. But what I am sure is this. Now, the Lord is the one rewarding him. Now in heaven, it is the Lord that is giving him his eternal reward. ang lahat ng kabutihan ay may katapat na kabutihan mula sa Diyos. Kaya kung may gagawin tayong mabuti, gawin natin ito. Hindi dahil sa naghihintay tayo ng pasasalamat mula sa tao, kundi ginagawa natin ito dahil ito ang gusto ng Diyos. Amen.